If your PS5 is crashing with dev error 0xD8E46539 in Black Ops 6, don't panic. According to top upvoted Reddit posts and YouTube comments, this happens because the console is trying to load Black Ops 7 or Warzone file instead of Black Ops 6. Let's fix it quickly. First, the most successful fix. Go to your PS5 settings, open users and accounts, then go to other, select restore licenses, choose Call of Duty and restore it. Now restart your PS5 completely and launch the game again. For most players, this fixes the crash instantly. If that didn't work, try this. Go to the PS5 home screen and highlight Call of Duty, press the options button, select manage game content, scroll through the list and delete anything that says Black Ops 7, Black Ops 7 multiplayer, Black Ops 7 Warzone or COD 7. Do not delete Black Ops 6. Restart the game after that. Some extra quick tips that helped users. Sign out of your PlayStation account, sign back in, then restore licenses again. Make sure your PS5 system software is fully updated. And if nothing works, some players had to uninstall Warzone completely because of file conflicts. That's it. Try these fixes one by one and your game should load normally again. Bye bye.